The residence of Opu Ranjan in Boxnagar has reportedly been the target of multiple raids by the police crime branch in an ongoing crackdown against a local drug trade. This latest raid marks the 10th time that law enforcement has targeted Opu Ranjan Boxnagar property. The operation is part of a sustained campaign by the crime branch to curb the activities of drug peddlers in the area. Local sources indicate that the police are intensifying their efforts to dismantle the drug network allegedly linking to Das. This latest raid marks the 10th time that law enforcement has targeted Opu Ranjan Boxnagar property. Despite the continuous efforts of the crime branch, Opu Ranjan was not present at his residence during the recent operation.
কলমছড়া একটা লোকেশনে কলমছড়া বড়মুড়া সেখানে একজনের বাড়িতে আমরা রেড করি। ওকে তো পাওয়া যায়নি, কিছু অ্যাসাজ কিছু ইনক্রিমেন্টিং কিছু পাওয়া যায়নি, ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে। রেডটা হয়েছে আন্ডার সুপারভিশন অফ ত্রিপুরা পুলিশ ক্রাইম ব্রাঞ্চ, STF ত্রিপুরা আর ডিস্ট্রিক্ট সিপাহীজলা পুলিশ।
Police have confirmed that their anti-drug drive will continue unabated, stating that their commitment to bring all individuals involved in narcotic trafficking to justice. The search for Opu Ranjan is ongoing. Reported by Musharraf from Chini, Khorang.